Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. Any view into Hustle World, and welcome to Triple Play Saturday Round 3. Hope your weekend is going well, people. We got an awesome watch face to check out by GS. GS has had a phenomenal year. He has created some of the baddest watch faces that you want to download in the Gear Manager store. If you have not checked out his lineup, make sure you go over and take a peek. This guy would not disappoint. Now, the name of the watch face is called GS Hybrid. I'm telling you, my man really got down on this watch face. It's a super casual watch face and or a simple casual watch face. Depends on how you want to play this one. Now, in the AOD mode, he lit this one up. This is a watch face that I would like to have as a regular watch face, but for the AOD mode with the lumen look and the black background and the time at the bottom, which really sets this watch face off in this mode, I'm telling you, he got down. Listen, GS, if you make this an actual watch face and I have to pay for it, that one I would buy. All right, you all, let's check out the watch face when it's on. Now, what you're going to be greeted with is analog/digital, which means that you get the best of both worlds. I like the moon phase information within here, and you have arrows that's going to point at the actual moon phase that we have tonight. I thought that was definitely a nice touch, adds character to the watch face. You got nice stylish hands, you got a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and these colorful lines, the red, the green, the blue, represents, of course, your heart rate information, your goal completed so far as your steps, and your battery info. Now, down at the bottom, you are going to get your date. You will get your digital time as well, and down at the bottom, you're going to get your step information and your calories burned. Now, you can customize this. So if you tap here, you can set a shortcut here, and you can set one here as well, so you get two places in which you can set your shortcuts. Also, if you tap in the center, you can customize the colors to 8 different colors. I thought this was super awesome to customize it to your liking. And if I tap over here, I can do the second ring the same way. I'm telling you, my man GS got down on this watch face, and you got a couple of shortcuts which are important. Your messages, and you will get an opportunity to make a phone call as well. So I thought GS did an awesome job with this one, because he also allows you to customize the bottom as well to 11 different colors. Check it out. 11 different colors, people. This one is nice. Again, I do like the design, I do like the layout and the uniqueness of this watch face. Again, my man did his thing. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you all are having the greatest weekend ever. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.